So I saw this on the list of what we were supposed to watch for the YouTube on hamster combat. And I really found this video interesting. How much hamster would cook? And I decided to go. Let's watch this video. Let's see.
Tomorrow is the day. So cool. And since one of the most frequent questions and comments we've seen is about the hamster token's price, we decided to make this video to address them. So, today's topic is how is the price of a token actually formed? Now let me get something out of the way from the start. It is not something that we, as a project or a company, can have a say in. It is something you decide. Yeah, you heard that right. You, the community, the market, and all of the market participants. So, how is the initial price of a token determined? Or, in your own words, how much hamster will cook? First, there's the golden rule of any token's price, and it is supply and demand. It's the difference between the total supply of a token available during the listing and the level of interest or desire of the market participants to have this token. In other words, how many people want to buy the token and how many tokens they want to buy. So, the more people want to buy and hold the token, the higher the price. Next on the list of the factors is the utility of the project. As a company, you definitely want your token holders to, well, hold that token. And traders, both institutional and retail, tend to hold a token if they believe in the project's vision and the ability to execute it. Now, when it comes to hamster combat, we have already spoken on our overall vision and plans, but let me refresh your memory. Hamster Combat Season 1 might have been all fun and games, pun intended, but Season 2 is much more than that.
Now, Amsa says season 2 is going to be awesome. I'm also already losing faith in the fact that season 1 didn't give as much as was predicted, as much as people hoped that the 100 millions would turn to 100 millions in real facts. I just want us to see this. So this is Binance, and currently people are already selling their hamsters. Yes, people are already selling their hamsters, and I think that's one of the factors, just like the hamster girl said, that would actually increase the value of a token or reduce the value of that token. So let's search for hamster. So hamster is currently trading at, this is the chart here. Hamster was launched today, and hamster is currently trading at 0.008. Okay, I can see it's coming up. So just like the hamster girl said, how tokens are being determined are not the price of how a value of a token comes out. It's not in the hands of the company that bought out. Is in the hands of the individuals. Is in the hands of the community. So if we have more people buy hamster, just like we have a lot of people wanting to buy Bitcoin, that's why Bitcoin always, goes up. A lot of people want to buy Bitcoin and hold it with the hope that, Bitcoin is definitely going to climb. Do you understand? That's how these other tokens too work. If you buy hamster and you hold it, the possibility of it also going higher is very high. Do you understand? The possibility of it also being very, very good at the market is very high. I want us to see this. Let's look at this. Cat Citizen. Cat Citizen, that's Catty. Catty is losing its value slowly in the market. But Catty launched at a whopping sum of 0.8. But they were able to climb to this $1 because there was limited supply in Kati. Even in as much as most of us played Kati, but I can say we definitely didn't understand how Katism worked. Like literally me as a person, I was confused with how that game worked. The game was so confusing. So we didn't really put so much interest in it. And Katzin actually gave more of their tokens to those that were able to invest in Katzin. That those were able to buy the tokens of Katzin with the hope that the future of this token would make sense. Do you understand? I think that was a good strategy for Katzin because they wanted to give their token a value. Do you understand? They wanted to give their token a value, and that was why they put in that strategy to get people to actually key into their token at the earlier stage, even before they launched. That was why when they launched, it actually went up to that value because when they launched, people were like, wow, for a token to actually launch at 0.8, do you know what it takes? Like, it's a few, it's like 10% in 1,000 tokens being launched in a year. Do you understand? When it happened, a lot of people, I would say a lot of people went to go and buy Catizen. Yeah, I would say a lot of people went to go and buy Catizen and hold it, and they're like, this coin will still go up. Since this coin has started doing well like this, it's going to do better. So that was actually what happened with Catizen. But right now, I don't know why the token is actually going down. I think a lot of people have sold theirs with the fact that we have gotten what we wanted and it's going down. But there's still hope for it to actually come up because in the crypto space, how things work is what goes up must definitely come down. That's how crypto works. Even Bitcoin that is tokens that actually determine the rest of the other tokens. It's like the grandfather of all the tokens actually also goes down at some point. It never stays up. It never just stays up. It actually goes down at some point. That's just it. That's just it with these tokens. So for those that are saying, Hamster didn't do well, Hamster didn't do this, Hamster didn't do that. If you think you have faith in Hamster and you think you want to give Hamster a chance to actually prove themselves, prove that they can actually do well in market, then you can hold Hamster. You can hold Hamster on Binance. Yes, you can hold Hamster on Binance. Just go to more. Yeah, then you click on simple N. You see simple N. Then when you go to simple N, on simple N, you can actually hold tokens. You can hold new tokens. You can hold old tokens and hold them for as long as you want. It's just more like how you put money in banks and then you lock them with the hope of actually getting with investment. Do you understand? So depends on how long you lock your funds down. That's the percentage of return on investments you'll be getting and how much you lock down. So the quantity and determines the quality. Yeah, let's say the quantity determines the quality. So that's what happens. So if you think your tokens are too small and you feel like, nah, you can't do this, just go to Binance, take your tokens to Binance, go to simple N, go to hot, that's hot, now, see the hot, and then you can lock your funds down. You can lock them down. They have two options. They have the flexible and they have the 7 days option. So if you're locking your hamster for 7 days, you're getting 300% as profit. If you're locking all your hamsters for 100 days, you're getting 300% as profit. If you're doing the flexible means you can actually unlock at any time. Do you understand? You can actually unlock at any time. If you're doing the flexible, you're getting 3.39%. depending on the quantity of hamsters you're locking down. So that's how this works. You can also lock different so many other tokens. You can lock BNB, you can lock Bake, you can lock XPR, you can lock Luna. So depending on what you want to do you understand? Depending on what you want for yourself, if these tokens are not tokens that you're using now or anytime soon, you can actually lock them. I have like 26 Bake here. So if I'm doing all my 26 Bake, I'm getting this as a reward. Like I told you, is the higher you go, the higher the quantity of the tokens, the higher the quality. Yeah, the higher you get. So you can lock any of those. You can even lock Catizen here. You can lock Cati as well. Catizen. And you get something in return for locking. So that's just it. According to Hamster, every day they're going to be giving you, for funds that you've locked down with the simple N, they're going to be giving you your return on investment each day. So you can actually unlock your investments. You can actually unlock your coins at any time. But if you unlock before, like if you put like 30 days and you unlock before 30 days, you're going to be getting your tokens back, but the extras you've earned on your tokens will be taken out of your tokens, because you withdrew your tokens before the date that you actually stipulated that you are going to hold the tokens for. Do you understand? But if you hold your tokens to that date and then you withdraw, you're getting everything, including your return on investment. That's everything you've earned is coming to you, including your return on investment. So that's just it. I really think that this simple N is good, because I don't see why I should just be holding tokens that fluctuate and I'm not even earning more of them, because meme tokens are not for the weak. They're not for, it's not child's play. There are times when you come in and the market is so good. There are times when you come in and the market is so bad. So there's a particular coin, there's a particular I don't know if we're talking about everything in this video. I don't want this video to be as lengthy as it is already. There's a particular coin, there's a particular token I bought when it actually launched. I really hated myself for buying a token, because right now that token is dust. Yeah, dust. Because I lost all my investments in that token. Like, it keeps going down and down and down, and I feel like this token is just I want to see the end of it, but it has gone down now. I can't give up now. So I want to see the end of it. That token is Evo. Yes, I did Evo. Let's go to Evo. Yep. Evo. I did Evo, and let's use Bybit. I don't think Binance listed that coin. Let's use Bybit. I did Evo, and Evo really. I wasn't expecting that from them, but Evo listed at $3. Like, it's like the highest in the history of tokens. Evo listed in let's see if I can still go back to when they listed in, I think, May, thereabouts. Let's see if I can still go back to when Evo listed at $3, a whole whopping $3. And I was like, wow, this token is going to go up, it has a very genuine future. And I went to go and buy Evo, and I bought Evo. Imagine me buying Evo at $3, and the current price of Evo right now is 0.4. Imagine me buying Evo at $3, buying like 50 pieces of Evo at $3, and then the coin now is 0.4. How much do you think I've lost? I've lost a lot. I'm going through a lot actually. But it's not what this video is about. We're not going to talk about all of that stuff, but that's just it. So I would say for you that's just getting started in this crypto space, I'll tell you, breathe in, breathe out, take your gains. If you got gains, buy shawarma, buy pizza, drink Coke. Because you say if you try. Yeah, you're doing well for yourself. You try, you don't try. Do you understand? Use the money and buy data, and let's move again. We move industry. In this crypto market is the person that decides to give up that just lost it. So that's just how it is. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. So I hope you guys are mining Hex Empire and the likes. Rabbit messed us up as well. But I hope I'm mining X Empire. There's a lot of coins I'm mining. So I don't know which of them you would want me to do a video on. I will do a video on almost all the coins I'm mining. I'll analyze all of them one by one on this channel, just so you can stay informed and stay put. So you can write in the comment section any coin or any token you would want me to evaluate and do a video on. And also you can also write in the comment section. You can also type in the comment section, let me know if you're having difficulties with withdrawing your funds, how to buy funds on Bybit, how to buy funds on Telegram wallet, how to buy funds on Binance, how to use your Binance, how to use your Bybit, how to use your Telegram, how to use your MetaMask, depending on whatever wallet, whether you're using CEX or DEX. I will be your plug for that. Thank you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so that I can be encouraged to actually do more videos for you guys.